Business math students, happy Monday. I just want to give you a quick update here as we're on our third week of online learning. I really appreciate all the hard work you guys have been doing. You've been putting in a lot of effort into the assignments. It's really appreciated, and because of your effort, you will get extra points added to your average for third quarter. Um, I definitely see all the effort you've been putting in, so you will see that in your grades. So just a special shout out to you guys who haven't been complaining. You've been doing your work, you've been reaching out to me, asking questions and clarifications. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. I know at this point you've had a lot of assignments. Think of it like class. You would have done an assignment 40 minutes each day. So I'm trying to, translate that into an online class, or like our projects would have taken us a couple days. So I tried to do that, give you guys a couple days. I know it's a lot of work, but just like you guys, I get directions from, higher than me. So I was just following my directions. I know it's a lot. I'm not purposely trying to stress you out or overwhelm you. So to those who've been a little upset at me for that, again, I'm just following directions, just like you guys need to follow directions from your teachers. Um, so please don't come at me for the amount of work. With that being said, this week our work schedule is going to be a little different. You guys did receive an email last week, I believe, about classes. So this week, you guys will only have assignments on Monday and Wednesday. So today, you guys should have already gotten the assignment. It's reading through a chapter in a textbook. It's about 17 pages long. Um, I think you're reading like 3 sections of it, and you're going to answer questions that are right in the text. It's like checkpoint questions at the end of each section. So just answer those questions on a Google Doc, submit it. So that was given today, and that's going to be due on Wednesday by 8 a.m. So you can finish it all today, you can start it tomorrow, just get it in by Wednesday at 8 a.m. On Wednesday, you will be getting an assignment continuing on about stocks. You're going to be reading a stock table and just answering a couple questions about it. Again, there's a Google Doc for that. It's already in a Google Doc. You're just going to add your answers to it, and then you will turn that in. So that will be given on Wednesday and will be due on Friday. You will not get a new assignment on Friday. So Monday and Wednesday's assignments are the only assignments this week. So hopefully that does, they're pretty easy assignments and not too much. Shouldn't take you too long to complete. But as always, please reach out to me if you have any questions. You can send me an email, chat with me on Google Hangouts. But hopefully that's pretty easy for you, and just get those 2 assignments in. Those are the last assignments for the quarter. So if you have any assignments that need to be made up, please send them out to me. Please tell me that you finished them. I will give you partial credit. Partial credit is a lot better than a 0. So please get those done. I am always willing to take late assignments. I've reached out to a lot of you about late assignments, and some of you I've heard back from, some of you I have not. So again, just please stay in contact with me. I'm here to help you whenever you need it. But I hope everyone is staying healthy. Otherwise, you're staying home with your families, and keep in touch, please. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks again to all the effort you've been putting in so far. All right, guys, have a great week.